nice to have you here as part of our Continuing Insights program. I'm privileged today to welcome to the stage. He was on stage a couple of days ago, if you happen to catch this one, talking about the history of Faberge. And today he's going to be telling you about how these beautiful masterpieces are created, how a Theo Faberge masterpiece is created. Please welcome back to the stage, Chairman Philip Birkenstein.
South Africa with my mother to go on safari, and I open the in-flight magazine. Thank you so much, British Airways. And there's a short story about Theo Faberge. So I read it 16 times, passed it to my mother, who read it once and said, and she didn't get my excitement at all that I had. And as soon as I got back, I phoned Theo, and he said, come and see me. Well, I wasn't going to miss an opportunity like that. He said, I live on a very long road. It's quite difficult to find the house, but I'll put on the gatepost a big red egg. Later, I suddenly get a phone call from Theo Faberge. Would I like to come and visit him again? Light bulb moment. Another piece of snakewood. He's made something else. Couldn't get down there fast enough. Arrived. Would you like a cup of tea, of course? And then he said to me, I've thought about it and I would like to do it. And I looked at him strangely. He said, you've forgotten the conversation. I said, I obviously have. He said, well, you said you'd like to work with me. I thought about it. I would like to work with you. And so that's the moment where I couldn't resist, and that was in 1983. But he also designed pieces which he wasn't going to personally make. The person we took on was a lady, and you'll hear that lots. We have more ladies than gentlemen, yay! And she has been with us since day one, and she will do all the drawings for Theo, because Theo would draw two-dimensionally. We would have the meeting together. I would meet with him every fortnight. He lived on the south coast. He loved the sea. And there's a lot of designs with fishes, with sea related, because he loved it so much. And I would then take the drawing, give it to the lady who did the drawings, and she would change it from a two-dimensional drawing to a three-dimensional drawing that is sold by the company, has been designed by Theo. We do not have another designer at all, nor will we ever have one, designed by Theo himself. To create this wonderful Queen of the Ocean's egg, specially commissioned by Cunard. This one egg takes approximately 7 months to make one. You heard right, 7 months. And each of these different components has to be made by different people. And the first thing we started to do were to look for the best craftsmen in each of the fields. Now, we do not have a factory, because the best craftsmen won't work in a factory. You can get good ones, but not the top ones. Is had to dismiss everybody because there was nothing being made. We made the conscious decision we would keep manufacturing. And because these families work exclusively for us, we can't just say to them, we haven't got any work, stop making. So every single one of our craftsmen was kept fully employed during COVID, because a lot of these eggs take so long to make. We're actually already planning and making what we think we might need for 2026 because of the length of time. Now, the guy who makes this, or the people who make this particular egg, they will not, any of them, do, let's say, 5 at a time. We will make one, And when they've completed what they have to make, we hope that they'll make another. Sometimes they just say, don't feel like making another one at the moment. Can we force them? No, we can't. We now have over 30 craftsmen in England, exclusively working with Theo. Nearly every one of them have personally met Theo, and Theo has imparted with them what he likes and what he doesn't like. And this is the huge benefit to me. Going back to our lady who's done all the drawings of the different parts, we can start to assemble and make an egg. And I'm going to concentrate on this Queen of the Ocean's egg to tell you how difficult it is to make this particular egg, because this enameling on this egg is called guilloche enameling. It is hot glass enameling with a pattern underneath it. It's translucent, so you can see the pattern through the enamel. And this is what made Faberge famous, was the guilloche enameling.